In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn on stolen device protection on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on your name at the top. Tap on Find My. Tap on Find My iPhone and must enable Find My iPhone before turning on stolen device protection. Once it's turned on your iPhone home page, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Verify your iPhone passcode. In here, scroll down and make sure you have added your Face ID first of all, and scroll down. Here you will find stolen device protection. Tap on that. Turn on stolen device protection from here. And requires security delay, you can select away from familiar location or you can select always. So that's how you can actually turn on stolen device protection. Thanks for watching.